Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can replace this end part on your Henry vacuum cleaner. This is a Hetti, but it's the same part that goes on Hetti and Henry. So you can see what's happened here, it's split. So when you're doing the vacuuming, it's losing a lot of suction through here. This is really easy to replace. So first of all, let's remove that. And we've got a replacement one here. This is actually a used one, but it's intact, but you can still buy the original replacement spares from places like Amazon. We will put a link in the description down below. When you buy the part, it will come with two other parts as well, but if like me it's just split here, then you don't have to worry about the other two parts. Now watch how easy it is to do. We have a little bit here and we have a little bit here as well that we need to pop out. Now on this particular hose it hasn't been done before, so what you're seeing is the same as you doing it, so you're going to see how hard or easy it is to do. Now rather than try to pry in here, I'm just going to get my little flathead screwdriver and I'm just going to put it in here, and basically can you see already that that's come loose from there? Yep, that's already popped out. So now let's bring it around. This side will be slightly harder because the pressure's already on it here now, but I'm going to go just from the edge here and move along and in, and look at that. That is it. That pops out as easy as that, and that has never been off before in the life of this vacuum cleaner. Now we're going to line up the little spigot thing here and here with the holes here and here. Doesn't matter which way around it goes, so I'm just going to line that up there and here. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to push that in there, in there, in there, and that is it. That is now on, and you can see this one doesn't have the split, so when you're doing your vacuuming you're going to be back to normal again and there's no flex there. So that is incredibly easy to do. You don't need to buy the whole lead and throw this one into landfill. You can just buy the end bit, and if you get the original Numatic Henry ones, then you know that that's going to last the test of time again. Thanks for watching.